Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Andy Drago, a professional athlete, a professional coach, and a nutritionist. And I love to call all of this the healthy lifestyle. You know, this is my life, and that's what I want to teach you also. You know, if you follow me and if you watch my videos, I want to teach you how to have a healthy lifestyle and just enjoy life. You know, because health is your real wealth, and that's the main thing in life. And today I'm gonna share with you a very nice workout, a very good workout that I usually do in the gym, in the fitness gym. And this will be a circle workout. This will be very intensive with a lot of work and much more or less break, you know, because that's the thing, you know, hard work, a little bit of break, and go back to the hard work, you know. That's the thing. And one more thing now, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe now to my channel. If you like my content and everything what I share with you, give a thumbs up, because I will be very grateful and very thankful for that, guys, because I put a lot of time, a lot of work in these videos and everything what I do and what I share with you, you know. So stay tuned and follow me, because you will like this, you will enjoy this, you will have fun. So stay tuned. Okay, my friends, that was everything for today. I hope you have enjoyed my entire video and everything what I shared with you. The whole workout session was very intensive, but also very good. You know, I feel great and I feel really, really good. So try it by yourself, see if it fits to you, if it works for you, and if you like it. But in my personal opinion, I think you will love it. You know, and if you do this, you know, maybe 4 times a week, in a period of time, you will see some big results. You know, you will have a nice body, you know, just like an athlete, because that's the main thing. And you will be healthy. You know, don't forget to eat healthy, to do some sports, have a positive mind, and at the end, everything will be very good for you. And if you like the whole content, don't forget to tap that like button so you can help me and we can help other people with this information, so they can also use it, also try it, and we can help each other, you know. So thank you for that, and stay tuned and see you the next time.